Hi. CAPM exam has changed in the last year, July 2023, and since then we are following the latest and new format for CAPM exam as recommended by PMI. So there have been changes in the syllabus of the exam. There has been change in the question types that got introduced in the exam, and there are also changes in different other aspects that we need to understand if you are preparing for CAPM exam. So let us get started with the session, and before we start, my name is Anita Myana. I am from Certifiera. I am the founder and trainer at Certifiera, conducting different PMP workshops, PMP trainings, CAPM trainings, Agile Certified Practitioner training, and trainings for different other Agile and Scrum certifications, and business analysis certifications, and few of the technology trainings for the IT industry professionals. So let us get started with the session now. As per the new format of CAPM exam, there are total 150 questions expected in exam, out of which there are 135 questions which are scoring questions, and rest of the 15 questions are non-scoring questions because they are pre-test questions. And since they have changed the exam pattern, they have also changed the question types. So the PMI has introduced hotspot questions in the CAPM exam. They have introduced drag and drop questions, which are also known as enhanced matching questions. They have introduced animation video questions and comic strip questions. Other than multiple choice and multi-select questions, you will also be able to see these all different types of questions in CAPM exam. And as per the new format and syllabus, we need to study the agile and hybrid approaches as well as business analysis frameworks so as to prepare for the latest CAPM exam. So in addition to understanding the project management concepts, the traditional project life cycle and methodologies, we also need to study agile methodologies and business analysis frameworks. So there are total 36% of questions expected from project management fundamentals and different concepts, and 17% of the questions are expected from traditional approaches, 20% of the questions are expected from agile and hybrid approaches, and 27% of the questions are expected from business analysis framework. So you need to understand the importance of business analysis for project management, and you also need to understand the role of a business analyst in a project life cycle so as to manage the requirements throughout the project life cycle and provide the solutions. So from latest CAPM exam perspective, you need to refer these all different reference guides. Primarily, you need to read through PMBOK Guide 7th edition. You need to read Agile Practice Guide. You also need to read Business Analysis Guide for Practitioners, which is available on PMI website, and you also need to refer the Process Groups Guide. I have not listed that over here, but Process Groups Guide is also important to understand the traditional project management approaches. So these are the reference lists that you need to follow for preparing for the latest CAPM exam, and this is the format that you need to understand so as to prepare for CAPM exam. And if you want to study the CAPM exam and if you want to practice with the latest practice test, you may follow the link given in the description below.